In the end, there was no more light to give, no heat, the end of time. The last sigh of a dying universe, its energy scattered into the expanded abyss. A graveyard of forgotten dreams, of forgotten stars. But this was never the whole story, because we were never alone. While our universe faded into silence, its counterpart raged backwards toward oblivion. Galaxies of antimatter crushed into a single point, a supermassive anti-black hole. A monster of infinite hunger. And then, it screamed. Through passageways smaller than quarks, in an infernal absolute heat, it came. A beam of pure annihilation, the last breath of a dying anti-universe, aimed at the heart of its frozen twin. The collision of matter and antimatter shattered the cold, shattered the dark, shattered space-time itself, a superfluid firestorm of Planck energy. And then, a flicker. From the fire, a soup, a chaos older than time. And in that chaos, a whisper, a memory. The universe remembered itself. The soup splits. Two newborn universes erupt. One of electrons, one of positrons. One expanding into light, the other contracting into shadow. Two children, one matter, one antimatter, born together, again, forever entwined. And so, the dance begins anew. Black holes, gates between worlds, leak secrets across the divide. Virtual particles flicker in and out of existence, the heartbeat of the Dualverse. An eternal waltz of creation and destruction, of entropy and order, of life. And anti-life, we are not alone. We were never alone. For every atom in your body, every star in our sky, there is a shadow, a counterpart, a counterweight. This is the cosmos as it truly is, a mirror, gazing back at itself for all eternity. Welcome to your new understanding of reality. Welcome to the Dualverse. In this new version of cosmology, virtual particles are born from the quantum fields, the fabric of space of the anti-universe, stealing energy and escaping into our matter universe, only to meet their fate by annihilation. But their demise has not been in vain, for the energy they left behind is what expands the universe itself. Yet not all virtual particles have the same story, for there are some that when they escape the anti-universe, they find themselves in the path of a black hole, and it is here where their story begins. Instead of annihilation, fate has other plans. The virtual particles get ripped apart. The force of the black hole, the anti-counterpart, is taken into custody, back to the anti-universe via anti-Hawking radiation, where it becomes a real positron, while the one left behind becomes an electron via Hopkins radiation. Not only does it become real, but also free. But the Dualverse demands the debt of energy to be paid, and it is the same black hole that takes the responsibility of it all, for this is the only way conservation can be maintained. It gives mass. It shrinks, it decays. But the information is never forgotten, as it lays encoded in a holographic state beyond the Planck scale. This is the law of the Dualverse. Conservation, symmetry, interdependence. We do not exist alone, not even at the smallest scale. Every moment, every particle, every heartbeat of reality, echoes intertwined in both directions.